Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making scrap wood robots. Now you probably have a ton of scrap wood left over from a few of your DIY projects, so that's what we're using. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this project, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hi. Are you ready? Let's make some scrap wood robots. A box of screws, nuts, and bolts that I have been saving for years, and it was perfect for a project like this. Also, I put everything together with E6000 Plus, which is a great glue because it glues different substrates together, like metal and wood. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I will see you next week. Bye.